boy. Oh my god.
Hello?
Hi there guys, I'm just doing a quick unboxing video on my GoPro 8 dual battery charger. Let's have a look inside. I'm going to use my scissors to get inside the box. Alright, I'm in the box now. Alright, let's have a look inside. Smell fresh. Ooh. Very tiny. You've got a kind of spongy thing on the bottom. It's quite good. So it won't slide when you keep this on the floor. You got a Type-C charger on the left hand side and dual battery charger. And you'll get one battery inside the box, so you can charge it at the same time. Let's open this as well. Yep. This battery is so tiny. It looks so good. That will go like this. It's kind of snug fit. I loved it. And you'll get a USB charger. Like this. Yeah, it's quite good, mate. It's quite good. And it says like the full battery means like a green light, and the charging means like an amber. So it's quite good. I liked it. It's kind of handy as well. I can carry this anywhere. It's very light. It could be like 60 gram or 100. Yeah, so it's very light. Yeah, I loved it. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care.